Hi everyone, here we've got a GIGASET GS190 and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and find the contact you would like to edit and tap on it. And now we have to tap on this big button Edit Contact and choose this camera icon. And here we can either take a photo and your device will open the camera app, so this is the best option to choose if you've got a person right in front of you, or simply choose a photo from the gallery. So I will pick to choose a photo, and here we have to find it and tap on it. Right now from this step we can adjust the size of this square and the position of the photo, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this area is responsible for it. What's more, we can rotate the picture if you want to, so just set it like you want to, and if you're ready, tap on Done. Remember to tap on Save in the right upper corner, and as you can see, it is immediately applied to the contact. After getting back, you can also see it on the contact list, and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually that's all. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your GIGASET GS190. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.